Hi, Lily here. Because of AI industry and data center construction, there are huge demands of big power generators. Today, you can see a lot of containerized generator and load banks in our factory. And before I introduce the 1 megawatt generator, use 20-foot high queue to build it suitable for rental business. But the shipping cost is extremely high. KeyPower always keep to find good solutions to solve the problem. So let's see. Today we built the new generator, use 20 GP, that is standard 20-foot container, to build the same generator. And we add the LED light on the container to give better service for the generator. Here is the control panel. There is a control panel light too. And we use the IG200 controller for the easy communication for synchronize. Down, you can see this communication port for the 2 units or even up to 31 units to synchronize together. It's quite simple. And let's see the circuit breaker chamber. It is ABB motorized breaker. And we built the extended bus bars for easy connection. We built the fuel filling port on the canopy, so you don't need to open the container to fill in the fuel. And this is the external fuel tank connection access. Let's check inside. This is Cummins KTA50-G3 magic model for rental business, construction business. Very good engine. And we built the silencer inside with the insulation materials, so the temperature is not high and easy for transportation. LED light is standard with anti-explosion pipes. And we also built the fuel tank on 2 sides of engine. 2 fuel tanks connected together to be 1,000 liters. This is the water jacket heater. That one is the battery isolator, lockable. Water battery is our standard. Fire extinguisher is also standard too. And let's check the connection of the alternator to the circuit breaker. It's fully protected, so it is also compliant to the CE standard. Let's see another side. This is the ventilation for the container, and we use the butterfly structure to build the ventilation to reduce the sound and prevent the sand goes in. And behind this ventilation, there is a mesh to protect the small animals get in. Here is the ventilation too. The design of this container uses the double door, so it is very easy for the overhauling. See, it's wide. So the engine can be took out for maintenance easily. Fuel water separator is standard, and because the engine is V-type, see, it's a V-type, so we use another water jacket heater to give the engine warm up. And this is the oil hand sump for changing the oil easily. See the mesh behind the ventilation to prevent the animals get in. Alternator is a Leroy Summer alternator with System 4 protection and also with AREP. good for rental business. Besides the engine, there is another fuel tank that connected to the previous one to give 800 liters to 1,000 liters service for the generator. The conclusion is we use this 20-foot container to build the canopy, but it has all the advantage that we built before, use 20 high Q, like the building fuel tank, like the building silencer, and all the service is easy for the customer. If you are interested in this power module, 1 megawatt, use 20-foot GP, please contact with KEYPOWER. Thank you for watching us.